Hey guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we'll see why we need to gather statistics on a table in an Oracle database. So to demonstrate that, we have a table in test schema which I have created recently. Demonstrate, this is demonstration. You can see there are 3 columns and I have populated data in those in this table. So there are around 100k records. There are 100k records in that. So if you see, based on status, if you group by status column, on status column demonstration, group by status, so you can see there are 200 records which are having status as active. Okay, and there are 99,800 records which are having status as inactive. Okay, and note that there is a index on this table, so let me drop that index, dem_idx. I'll just create it again so that you'll know there is an index called dem_idx on tester demonstration on status column. Okay, so now let's gather statistics on this table demonstration. Okay, so stats are gathered on this table. Now let's see what is the explain plan for this query. Select star from tester demonstration where status equal to inactive. Let me clear the screen. As you can see, there are 99,800 records which are having status as inactive, so I'm querying for those records. So since 99.8% of the records in this table belong to this status, we are querying for 99,800 rows. So ideally the optimizer should go for full table scan. Okay, which I'll show here. CLSCR, select star from table. It has been explained already, so you can see, let me make it pretty. You can see that optimizer knows that there are 99,000, almost it is estimating 99,800 records are there. It is showing as 99,826. okay, just it is very close, so it knows that there are those many records, so it's going for full table scan. Okay, so this is the cost is 140 for this. Now let's do some changes on the table. Select count status from tested demonstration group by status. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll update the status of these records. Update test demonstration set status equal to new where status equal to active, and then we'll change status equal to active where status is inactive. This will update around 99,800 records. So it will take some time. So finally test proceeded. Now let's go and check what is the new status on table. Okay, you can see this is 99,800 records which were in inactive state are in active state now, and 200 records are in status new. So for them we'll change it as inactive. So I'm copy pasting this line here. Let's make this as inactive where status equal to new. Comment. So now what we have is we have basically swapped the status for these many records. Okay, earlier 99,800 records were in inactive state. Now they are in active state, and 200 records which were in active state went back to inactive. Okay, so there is some spelling mistake here, or okay, it's correct. So now let's see what optimizer thinks if we query for inactive records. Okay, let's see where is the explain plan for. Okay, you can see explain plan for select star from tested demonstration where status is equal to inactive. I have explained. Let's see what is the explain plan looks like. You can see that it is still going for full table scan on demonstration table to get these inactive records. So it is scanning whole table to get just 200 records because the table stats are now stale. Okay, you can see this if the table stats are stale or not in this table. Just a minute. CLSER, select table name. Let's just show you DBA tab statistics. Select table name, stale stats where table name equal to DBA tab statistics, table name equal to demonstration. Okay, it is still thinking it is not stale, which is because we have just updated the records. Now let me gather the stats. As you can see, explain plan for okay, basically it thinks it is a still there are 99k records like I said earlier. Now let's see what happens if we gather the stats again. Okay, so dbms stats dot gather table stats test and demonstration. So I have gathered stats on this table. Now let's rerun that explain plan. You can see the cost has reduced from 14 to 4. Okay, now it's going for index range scan as expected. So earlier what happened, without this gather table stats, before running this gather table stats on this demonstration table, Before gathering the statistics, Oracle was still thinking that there were 99k records, but after we gathered the statistics, it took a look on the table again and updated its memory. Okay, now it knows that there are only 200 records of the type inactive, so it is using this temp underscore idx to fetch those 200 records. Okay, so this is why you need to gather statistics on table on Oracle database whenever there is a bulk update, delete, or any other DML or DTL. Okay, so whenever there is a bulk change, make sure that you have gathered the table statistics. So like I said, even Oracle didn't catch that there were stale statistics in this table because we were doing just an update operation. So no rows were deleted or inserted, we just were changing the status, so even Oracle was not able to interpret that change. Okay, so that's why you need a DBA in these cases to solve the performance issues which are caused by this bulk DML or DDL changes. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like our video, please subscribe. We'll be adding more Oracle videos in the coming days. Thank you.